Hello there and welcome back. This is going to be a video about Latexify. So Latexify is basically a Python package which allows you to compile a fragment of your source code to corresponding latex expression. And here is how you can get started with it. We are going to create a folder to store the source files. And we are also going to create a virtual environment for this. And once the virtual environment is there, we are going to activate it and use Python pip install latexify.py. And once this installation is complete, we are going to install a notebook, which is going to be Jupyter. All right. Let's let the installation complete, and what I'm going to do is to create a new window of Safari, and we are going to rearrange our desktop. So here we have this one and then this one, and what I'm going to do is to show you how you can use it on a command line. Let me make this bigger a little bit. And now what I would like to do is to open up Python shell. And here what I have to do is to import Latexify. And we can use the Latexify .function, which is a decorator. And let's create a function which is called sum. It takes a and b and returns a plus b. And great. So why is it not working? Latexify function sum a and b. Indent block after definitional line 2. Let's do it in a different manner. Let's open up lvim and create a new node, demo.py, and let's create it one directory upper. And then what we can do is to create our source code. So import Latexify and create the Latexify.function and create the sum function a and b and return a plus b. As I was writing the decorator, so Latexify dot, you can see that we have different type of decorators. We have like this algorithmic decorator, expression decorator, function decorator, and so on. So it is going to allow you to customize your solution, so to speak. And then once this is done, what we can do is the following. Where is it? Come on. Latexify. Hold on. Pip install Latexify.py. It's already installed, so we should be good to go. And then if we go to the demo, we can go ahead and create a with statement and create the sum.text. So this is the latex format as f, and we use the print sum file equals f. And if we go ahead and run it, so python 3 demo.py, you can see that we have the sum.text. And if you check the sum.text, you can see that this is in latex format. But that's not just the only strength of this module, because what you can also do is to basically go ahead and create more complex like latex formatted functions. And where is my other note? So here, yeah, this should be good. The other thing that I want to show you is that this plays well with the Jupyter notebook. So once this is done, I'm going to switch to my browser here. And let's create a new notebook. Let's open this one up. Yeah, this is the kernel. And here we can write our code. So let's import Latexify and run the cell. And here we can go ahead and use the def sum a and b and return a plus b. And we shouldn't forget the Latexify that function decorator. And once this is done, we are not calling the function, but rather just writing the function name. And as you can see, here we have our result. And we can write more complex expressions as well. So Latexify dot expression def, let's say solution A, B, and C. And basically what we want to do is to return the minus b plus b to the power of 2 minus 4 by a by c raised to the power of 0.5. So we use the square root function, and then what we are going to do, so we have the 0.5, and finally we divide it by 2 by a, and then print out the solution. So if we run it, non-printable character, okay, for whatever reason the white space is causing problems. So when you are using the function decorator, it is going to create like this formatting, and when you are using the expression formatter, it is just going to say or render the expression. And basically you can also define something like this: Latexify function sin c x, and we say that if x is equal to 0, then we return 1, otherwise we return. We would need the math module for this, so let's import it. Import math and use the math that sin x by x over x and sin c. As you can see, this is the output. So basically it says that we have the sin c function over x, and if the x is 0, then we return 1. Otherwise, all the other values come from the sin x divided by x. And if you want, you can use multiple if-else branches. That will just the notation as well. And it is also going to support Greek letters. So Latexify dot function use math symbols equals to true, and we have the Greek function alpha beta, gamma, omega, and we return alpha times beta plus math dot gamma plus omega, and let's call the Greek, and as you can see it is using now the Greek symbols. There are pretty much many more ways in which you can utilize this module, but I think this is a pretty neat solution when you have to like represent a function, an expression, and you also have the option to use Greek letters. So that was all. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.